Congratulations, you've now finished Module 2. This week you put yourself in the role of a new medical extern, and you had to make the decision what to do when you were asked to administer a drug that you hadn't studied yet and didn't know the information regarding. What did you choose to do? What was the reaction on the discussion board? Did that help you learn something for future? I hope so. We also have covered all of our learning objectives for this week, talking and defining about what the differences is between drug interaction, drug allergies, and adverse effects. We've defined what it means to talk about a drug and the definition of drug. We've also talked about the 5 fundamentals of pharmacology, as well as explaining drug interactions and to other nutrients and drugs and diseases. I'm hoping that you've had a very productive week this week, and I look forward to seeing you next week online. Have a great day. Bye.